Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Rick's Flix. You know, on this channel we do a few different types of videos. We do like construction updates, follow me along. We have that Versus series, and then we have today's video, which has its own theme song. Goes a little something like this. Rick's Top 6 Party Time, excellent!
Rick's Top 6 Party Time, excellent! Woo!
But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So what is the subject of today's top 6?
Best Universal ride quotes.
Yep, the best lines on these rides. It could be in the queue, could be on the ride itself, the most quotable rides. Let's go check them out. So as we walk over to number 6, I want to let you guys know how this is going to work. So I'll announce the ride, number 6, number 5, number 4, whatever, and then I'll have like a 15-second montage of the ride, music montage. This is your opportunity. In the comments below, type out your favorite quote from the ride that I'm previewing at the moment. Coming in at number 6 on today's countdown, Escape from Gingotts. Alright, a couple good quotes from the Harry Potter ride, Escape from Gingotts. I like it when Ron says they're daft and they're brutal. I like that one.
They're daft and they're brutal.
And then we have this scene where they go into like the vault, and Voldemort's like, they were in your vault, Bellatrix.
I know you've seen Harry Potter. He was in your vault, Bellatrix.
I thought I got rid of you, Muggle.
And then we have a spot there near the end where Voldemort says, perhaps a dose of pain to help you remember.
Yes.
Which I say to Nikki whenever she forgets something.
What?
So little dose of pain to help you remember.
Yes.
And then Bellatrix has a line too, right? She's like,
Yes.
Tell us or we'll destroy you.
Or we'll destroy you.
And lastly, I think probably the most popular one is when the Weasley says, after all, it's the safest place on Earth.
After all, it's the safest place on Earth.
Coming in at number 5 on today's countdown of most quotable rides at Universal Studios is the Transformers ride. So some of our favorite quotes from the Transformers, I would have to say, what do we do now?
Beg for mercy. That part always cracks me up because then isn't that when not Megatron, he's the bad guy, when Megatron gets hit. Anyway.
We're on our own. What do we do?
And then I like relinquish what remains of the Allspark or suffer the wrath of Megatron.
He's got the best lines.
Or suffer the wrath of Megatron.
And also like
Protect the Allspark, you know, that's repeated a lot, so.
Cowards run, heroes fight.
Optimus! Heroes fight. Your war is with me.
Your war is with me.
Ooh, that's a good one. What is that? I didn't even catch that one.
Yo, you gotta pay attention. Watch my videos, you'll know.
Wow, okay.
And then we have at the end, he wants the Allspark, he can have it. That's when he like shoves it into his chest.
Yeah, that's a good one.
He wants the Allspark? He can have it. Oh no.
Now as we make our way, walk over to item number 4 on today's countdown, most quotable rides at Universal.
Yep.
Let me remind you, in the comments below, put down your favorite comments from your favorite rides.
Exactly, we want to know what you have to say is the best quotes for each ride.
Yeah, I only have a list of 6. You guys got all the space in the world down below in the comments. Coming in at number 4 on today's countdown, E.T. Adventure. Now the E.T. attraction is number 4 on the list. There's not a ton of quotes that we use here, but there's a couple that we really like. The first one is, they got E.T. Hey, stop, they're getting away.
Look, they're flying.
Look, they're flying. I love that one.
Exactly.
End of the road. Whoa, watch it! Hey, stop! They're getting away. Look, they're flying.
But the reason why this one ranks so high is because we say this almost every time someone comes home.
Someone walks in the front door.
Welcome home, you've arrived. Oh my God, we overuse that. We use that so much in our house.
Welcome home. You be happy.
Welcome home.
We're ridiculous.
Yeah.
Now for item number 3 on today's countdown, we need to make our way over to Islands of Adventure, but there are still some more quotes from the E.T. Adventure ride we need to talk about. We can't walk away without saying,
Phone home.
phone home, that's in the ride. Also, ouch. That's on there. But I guess an honorable mention is because you get to like pick your name when you go on the ride. A lot of people pick Steven or Elliot. So at the end of the ride, a quote would be, goodbye, Steven.
Goodbye, Elliot.
Which today, I was Steven and Nikki was Elliot.
Yay!
Number 3 on today's countdown. Yeah, the Jurassic Park River Ride. The Jurassic Park River Ride. Now this is a case of quality over quantity.
That's true, because I had no idea.
Now here's one quote. Time, the ever-flowing river.
Time, the ever-flowing river.
But that's not what really gets it to number 3 on the list.
That's true.
What makes that, Nikki? What makes this countdown happen for Jurassic Park?
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Classic.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Drama-inducing too.
Yep.
When that's said and then the gates open, is that when it happens,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Oh my goodness. It just gets me every time.
That is what you call a quality quote. Welcome to Jurassic Park. Okay, so we only have 2 quotes for this ride, one really awesome. So, you know what we should do? Let's highlight your shirt. So that's an awesome Jurassic Park shirt found in my online store, myrichflix.com. I just thought of maybe one more quote.
Okay.
Will you allow this, Nikki? Can the quote be, na 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 na?
I sing it as I go through like the ride, so sure, we'll count it.
It counts. Another quote for number 3 on today's countdown. We have now made it to the top 2 items on today's countdown, the most quotable rides here at Universal and IOA. Now, number 2, number 1, so close. So close. Number 2, you thought number 2 was gonna be number 1.
It's number 1 in my heart.
It is. It is, but oh, it was so close. Number 2 on today's countdown is Revenge of the Mummy. We just got off the Mummy and I knew this was gonna happen. What are you saying now, Nikki?
This is the best, most quotable ride of all time. I mean, I can't see what's gonna beat it.
You're already saying this should have been #1 on the list. Why? Because of quotes like,
"Are you insane? Get out of here! The curse, it's real! This whole place is a trap!"
"With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity." Stuff like that?
Yes.
With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity.
Your souls are mine.
Not even the Magi can save you now.
Not even the Magi can save you now. There is no escape. The end shall be my beginning. There you shall behold your friends.
I would have enjoyed this interview more if I had gotten my cup of coffee.
I would have enjoyed this interview a lot more if I had gotten my cup of coffee! Thank you.
Great quotes indeed. One of the best ones, but it's only #2. What could be #1? Let's find out. So some pretty good quotes so far, especially the last one, Revenge of the Mummy.
Yeah.
What do you think should be #1?
I do.
So that reminds me, in the comments below, leave your favorite quotes and what you think should be #1. But as far as #1, we're here, and it's Spider-Man. Yes, #1 on today's countdown, Spider-Man. The whole ride is quotable.
That's true.
Almost, this is quality and quantity.
It is. You're right. You're right. I like the one, nice shades.
Nice shades, yeah.
Excellent.
This could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for a shock.
Yeah, that's a good one.
If you think you're getting out of here, you're in for it.
Look, the spider signal. You know what that means. Headlines, national coverage. So don't screw this up. I mean, good luck.
National coverage! So don't screw this up! I mean, good luck.
And then let's see. Oh, I like the last one. And don't quit your day job.
Yeah, and don't quit your day job. You're taking a dive.
You're taking a dive.
Also a favorite of mine is Doc Ock, who says, excellent.
Dr. Octopus, everything's going as planned.
Excellent.
Oh, is that the one that
Yeah, he says, excellent.
Don't leave now. Things are starting to heat up.
Things are just starting to.
Oh, funny.
So there we go. That was our list.
Oh, wait. I got,
Okay.
oh, this is a good one. Doc, your aim is worse than your haircut.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Doc, you're in worse than your haircut.
So I want to remind you guys in the comments below, write down your favorite quotes from any ride here at Universal or Islands of Adventure. Or you can tell me what should have been #1. Like Nikki is telling me, it should have been the Mummy. No way. I mean, it was close though. It was close.
For me, it's always the Mummy.
Congratulations, you made it to the end of this video. And if you made it this far, can I ask you to go a little further? Click that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, you want a viewer shout out, go ahead and buy us a cup of coffee. We'll give you a shout out in a future video. And with that being said,
I'm Tara. I'm Amber. And we're from North Carolina. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
okay, it is now time for viewer shout outs. But before we get to the coffee shout outs, I have an announcement for the Weaver family. Weaver kids, pay attention. You guys are going to be visiting Disney and Universal in late November. Congratulations, have a good time. Now give your parents a hug. And now I would like to say thank you to Tina Thomas from Ireland, who will be visiting the theme parks in April. Next up, a Coke and a smile to Amber Grissom. Thanks for the coffee and the butterbeer. Enjoy your Halloween Horror Nights trip, Amber. I would like to give a shout out to the Flambard family from New Jersey, Channel Islands. Thank you for the butterbeer and enjoy your August vacation. And lastly, for today, here's a shout out. Thank you for the coffee, Luke, Tammy, and Dennis, who are also visiting the area in August. So many great quotes. We should have done some like honorable mentions.
I know, but I will tell you, I'm happy that Bluto's Barges and Ripsaw Falls doesn't because I didn't want to get wet today.
We should have included the Hulk though. Roar! That's a quote, that's a quote.
It is, it's a very good quote that you don't even have to go on the ride for.